Hello, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Adams Aziz. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a professional birthday design in PixelLab. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications directly in your device whenever I post awesome tutorials like this. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to cancel this. Let's choose the background color. Alright, so let me include the image size. It's going to be 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. Alright, okay, I need this. Alright, let me try to include a shape. Sorry. Alright, so this is the color I'm going to use. I actually choose the color from the picture I want to use. Alright, so I'm going to copy this, reduce the opacity, and give it some stroke, about 10. It shouldn't be too much, so I'm going to change the color of the stroke and then now increase it a bit. Try to centralize it. And then I think I'm cool with this. Alright, so it is a gradual process. We are going to get there. Alright, I think this is okay. So let's include the happy birthday. So let's use the happy. Sorry, let's start from the birthday. Anyway. Sorry. Alright, so this is the bet. So I'm going to be as fast as I can. Sorry. Alright, so this is the font I use, Humanist. So I'm going to increase the size. I think about 150 is okay. I don't know, but I think it is okay. Now I have my bet here. Sorry. My text. So let me lock them. I'm going to get rid of this. Now I'm going to copy this and include the day. Okay. Alright, so it's going to be somewhere that I'm going to add some more effect to it later on. So let them come down a bit. One. So let's include the happy. So the font is autograph. So I'm going to change the color to white as well. About 60. Alright, so let's edit it. You are plus 1 today. So let's use this font, Whoppings medium. Copy. So I'm going to include today's date, 9th of September 2022. All right. All right, so let's use a shape here, transparent one. All right, so I think we are good there. So let me get this text again, this one in particular. So I'm going to copy it. Kings are born in September. We are getting there. It is a gradual process. All right. Sorry. Perfect. Perfecto. Alright, so let's get some other things. Alright, so I'm getting this. I'm going to erase the white background, then change the color, right? Okay, yes. So I'm going to let it to fill the screen, then centralize it, reduce the opacity to about 3, and let it go to the back. To the back, yeah, to back. All right. Sorry. All right. All right. So one more thing. Sorry. All right, so we are at the loose end, so I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to merge them together. Copy it, then rotate it. Alright, so let's have it this way. Alright, so let's do something. Let's include it here. Also, yeah, I think we are the look. Let me use a normal font for it. Let me use pop pens. Alright, so thank you for watching. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications directly in your device whenever I post awesome tutorials like this. Thank you.